Hi friends, welcome to the channel My Simple Remedies. I've been getting a lot of requests for a remedy to prevent hair loss. You may have noticed this is a common problem. Too common. It often happens because we don't take proper care of our diet or our hair. Today we're going to make a hair oil that will put a stop to your hair loss permanently. If you follow my instructions for making this remedy, I promise your hair loss and damage will stop forever. So let's make this remedy. But first of all, take a moment to subscribe to My Simple Remedies and to like this video. We're going to use the double boiler method for this recipe. Place a heat-resistant bowl in the top of your double boiler. Add half a cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil is very beneficial for hair. It makes it grow thick and long. Stir the oil with a spoon for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes hot. Now add 5 tablespoons of grated carrots to it. Carrot juice helps grow healthy hair from the roots because it contains vitamin A. This is especially important if your hair loss and damage is very serious. Next, we will add 2 vitamin E capsules. If you don't have any vitamin E capsules, you can substitute a tablespoon of castor oil. Now, boil the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes, all the while stirring constantly. Now you can see that the oil has begun changing color. When it's gone completely orange, it's time to turn off the heat. Let the oil stand for 15 to 20 minutes to allow it to cool. When it's room temperature, transfer it into a clean glass jar using a sieve to remove the solids. This infusion will keep for up to 4 months. Now I'll tell you when and how to use this oil, but first, please like this video. To use the treatment, take some oil onto your fingers and massage it into your scalp. After massaging your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes, leave it in for about 40 minutes longer. Finally, wash your hair with a good shampoo. Use this remedy twice a week, and you should see results after 2 to 3 weeks. Your hair fall should stop, and your hair will grow healthy and long. You won't need to use any other treatments. Please share this remedy with your friends. I need 20,000 subscribers, so won't you take a moment to subscribe to My Simple Remedies? See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye!